What is up guys, Parallaxox here, and today I'm going to show you how to move a part within a script. So first you need to insert a part to workspace, and then in that part you insert a script. In that script you get rid of the parent hello world, and I'm going to make a variable for the part, local part equals script.parent, which is basically the script, which is right here. It's parent, which is part. And I made a capital A that you gotta make sure you don't do things like I do and mess up like that. I'm gonna put it in a while true just so you can see it. But okay, there's two ways you can move a part. Well, it's the same thing, it's just different ways. Why did I put Pratt? But anyways, part dot position equals, you can either do vector3.new and then the position, or if you want it to move like I want to, you do part dot position plus vector3.new, and then you got three values to give it. It's an x, y, and a z value. I'm just going to move forward 1 on the x value. Okay, and then I'm going to put a wait so it doesn't crash my computer, and that'll be fun. So it'll move forward on the x-axis by 1 every second. So if I just run this part should move forward on the x-axis 1 by 1 every second. And as you can see, it moves 1 block every second. And that's how you move a part using the script. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.